Step 1, get yourself a Sioux. Step 2, shake that money maker, baby. The Steam Freak is back. And I've got one of my other favorite weapons of choice, the H3.5D 3000G. Sounds like a mouthful, but it's a problem solver. Take it where you need to go. Steam, cold, hot pressure. It's gonna do the job where the job needs to be done. And that's the name of the game when it comes to the Steam Freak.
Steam Freak Challenger.
Today's challenger is, again, some sort of nasty goo that's settled on a building. This happens to be Sioux corporate headquarters. We can't accept that. I know y'all wanted me to taste it, and it was not good. That's why it's gotta come off the building. We're gonna use the unit, get it in place, and let it rip, Tater Chip. We gotta have the right equipment. We're gonna show up, we're gonna do the job, and we gotta do it on time. That's why you wanna choose Sioux. Reach down, and away we go.
Superpower.
This black grime can't handle superpower, baby. Sometimes people ask me, Freak, how do I make some money in today's world? I'll tell you what you do. Get yourself a pressure washer, get yourself a Sioux, and start making some freaking money. .3,000 PSI makes quick work of this dirty job. S is for Steam Freak, baby. You know what really freaks the freak? Walking through a big box store, looking at some cheap Chinese-made equipment, and wondering, what are you gonna get out of it? A year, 2, and then who are you gonna call? Go with the superpower, baby. We'll be here 10 years from now, 20 years from now, to help you succeed at your cleaning business. The Steam Freak strikes again. If you need some superpower to conquer your tasks, check our link in the description below and get your freak on.